you think your reels are not working and you are not getting views, one of the reasons might be that you are not probably uploading them correctly. This video is all about helping you know how to get more out of Reels tab on Instagram. So stay till the end of this video because you would not like to miss any of these hacks and tips. What's up my social tribe? I am Dr. Khushbu Pandya. Welcome to the channel. I am your social media bestie and I'm here to share everything a social media manager must know to earn more and create financial freedom. So let me pull out my phone and share my screen with you so that you get an idea, an exact idea what to do before, during and after publishing your Instagram reels. You might be able to see things here and I am sharing the screen of my phone so that whatever I do in here you'll get to know exactly the things. So open up Instagram and I hope you all know how to upload the reels from the Reels tab. So you click on the plus icon and you go in the Reels section. Now I'll just for understanding purposes I'll add one of the random video from my phone and you'd be able to see that. I'll click on add function and I'll go to the next where I have to do all the editing. Now here comes the part. In all of the reels you need to add text and you might add GIFs and all those things. So the first thing that I really want to talk about is text placement. So click on the text and for the sake of understanding I'll just write hello over here and if you can see there are these amazing guiding lines that Instagram has put up. You know, you can see exactly the blue lines that goes up and down and it also has a vertical and horizontal line. You exactly know what is the safe space for text. So if you move it upwards, again a line comes and it becomes blue. That means above that line your text would be cut off, and similarly even if you go down there's this line and it turns blue when you touch that line. So that is the safe area where you have to place your texts. The another safe space area or guiding things that Instagram has done very brilliantly, and it is a new update. I don't know many of you have noticed or not. When you move your text left or right, you would see yellow blocks coming in, and that's the sign that you don't have to place your text too much on the left or too much on the right. So if you move around your text, you would definitely understand the safe space for the text placement. So this was the first tip, that if you want to make your reels viewed a lot more, then you make sure that your text is inside this safe space. Now coming on to the next point is the CTA placement. That is, let's say if I want my audience to save this reel or share this reel, then let's say I would write save this, and if I move this text towards the save down line where you see the blue line, you would exactly see the icons on the left side, which is like, comments, share and save. This is an amazing update by Instagram because you exactly know where these icons would be after you publish the reel. So I can put a CTA over here, very subtle push to the CTA, where I can write save this and I can place this in the safe section of the area. And then what I can the little trick that I usually do is I go to the GIF, I put white arrow as a keyword, and there are a lot many white arrows over here. Now I'll choose one of it, and if I place it over here, I can exactly show and mark it towards the save icon. So if you can see the screen over here on my left or right, you would see the screen that I'm placing it towards the save icon. That means I'm telling my audience to save the reel, and it will exactly be placed and showing towards the save icon. That means this is a subtle push of CTA, which is a great idea, because I have noticed one thing, that when you tell your audience to perform any kind of activity, they would directly do that. So consciously, unconsciously, that thing is in the mind, and you don't want to miss any type of opportunity where you can put your CTAs. Okay, so the next thing that I want to talk about is cover image tips. Now let's say if I want to put this as a cover image, and I have not designed any cover image in Canva or using any other tools, I don't have to go anywhere else. I can design my cover image inside the reels itself and inside Instagram. There are two ways. What you can do is go on the next, and you can choose this option called edit cover, and you can kind of choose any of the frame from the reels and decide what cover image you want to put. Now there's this one thing, if you want your text to be visible, try to put the text in the middle section. So when you click on the profile grid option, you would understand, and you can choose to go up or down, and you can see what area you want to show as the cover image. So click on the cover, and there's an option of add from camera roll. So if you have made any other cover image in tools like Canva or any other photo editing app, you can upload that image as well. Let's say if you don't want to use such apps and you want to create your cover image inside reels, there's one hack that I always perform is I design it in Instagram stories. That's really simple, and you don't have to go anywhere else. What I usually do is I go back to my reel, I take a screenshot just like this. I take a screenshot and save it, and then what I can do is I'll save this one as a draft. I'll go into my Instagram story, I'll select the image, make it more broader so that any of the text doesn't appear which shows inside the reels, and I'll add another call to action or whatever I want to put it on the cover image. I'll add my name as of now, and that's it. I can place it, I can see the angles and place the text. I can save this image, go back to my reels drafts, and that's it. I can click on edit cover, add from camera roll, and I can add the image which I have recently designed in Instagram stories. It's as simple as that. So you can do this, but make sure you have any kind of good cover image for the reels. It is very, very important, because whoever comes or lands up onto your profile, and if you are an educational account like mine, or you are sharing something, the text is visible and it's click worthy, and the person who comes knows what the reel is all about. So make sure you have amazing looking, aesthetically beautiful cover images to increase the click rates of your reels. So the next tip that I want to give is regarding the upload quality of your reels. If you want to upload high quality reels, this tip is going to save you amazing time and efforts, because you don't have to worry about the upload quality. The thing that you can do is go to the hamburger settings and click on settings, and then you can click on account and click on data usage. You can see on my screen, and you have to enable the high quality uploads. That is whatever that you have shot in your phone, it will upload the exact quality, or high quality uploads will be done, and it will avoid blurry reels or reels with less attractive vision. The other tip that I would like to give here is you can upload reels which may be shot in 4K quality, but try to upload reels which are not above 1080p, that is 1080 pixels, because it will reduce the quality and your reels will look blurry. So that is one tip that I really want to give you out here, and this will this is the exact way you should upload your reels on Instagram. The another basic tip I just want to give you regarding Instagram is that when you upload your reels, you make sure that you have a fast and stable Wi-Fi, and don't try to juggle here and there when the reel is uploading, because in all that things, your reels might get kind of blurry, or the quality might get disrupted, and the result might end up into having a bad reel. So let's not upload reels when the network is slow. Upload it in a high network quality. The other things about uploading reels correctly is, let's say I'll go again in my drafts section, and here you can see options like writing captions, tagging people, audio, renaming audio. Renaming audio would come when you're having your original audio and you're not using any of the sounds that is being inside Instagram Reels music. Location and many other options. So make sure you fill all the options correctly and you take opportunity of all the options given inside Instagram Reels. I have talked about Instagram caption writing in my another video, which I am linking over here. You can check this video and know more about how to write captions. But yes, use this caption space to add as much CTAs, as much information, as much things that you want to write for your audiences. The other thing is about tagging people. If you feel that there is a need to tagging more people, you can do that. Audio renaming, as I said, it is about renaming the audio. If it is your original audio, rename it. Here I would usually rename as Dr. Khushbu Pandya or something which is related to my topic. I'll add the location and go into the advanced settings, and here you can have partnership labels. If you're partnering with someone or having a sponsored video, you can enable that section as well. And now I think you're good to go to upload a reel, which is as simple as that. There are few technical details which I guess I have covered in this video, and that's it. It's just as simple as that. If you want to keep continuing and making more reels in one day, make sure you save them as drafts. And if you want to know more about Instagram Reels, stay tuned to this channel, because I'm going to share many things about Instagram Reels. Let me know in the comments if this video was helpful and you want me to make more such tutorials on Reels. Before you hop on to another video, do subscribe to this channel, because it's your go-to free resource to become a pro social media manager. Until the next video, keep sharing and spreading good vibes globally. Bye-bye.